This is an unboxing of a Digimon. So let's unbox this guy from the side. Piece of tape. Cool, you can battle with these guys. Remember, these can battle. I think this is a really old school one. Let's see what year. 2019. Is that, oh, it's not that old. This is brand new. And yeah, keychain's yellow. And then the tab to unhook the battery. Let's light it up, guys. Oh, it works. Check this out. So the name is right now is like 6 o'clock. Like 6:30 p.m. Okay, now I have an egg. I have to wait for that. So yeah, thanks for watching for unboxing my Digimon. Peace out, guys.